the traditional idea of the outputs of a system are only as good as the inputs, and our
Right.
AI training is getting trained on the output as a society that we've put out there, right? Some of that is biased, we know, right? Historic bias, current bias, whatever you want to say. And that has led AI to produce responses that would be viewed as sexist or racist, you name it. I think that the
Right.
reason maybe we're seeing woke now is possibly the result that they're just like updating the system in the last couple of years with more training. And as a society, we've had a little bit of an ebb and flow. And so there's maybe more output in the last few years that discusses woke
So
topics.
when they train the model, they can oversample content, and they are deliberate about doing that. And they can also direct the LLM the same way, like when Google was training their driverless car, Google has a facility where they simulate hazards. Someone walking in front of the car, there's a bus, surprises. So they could oversample those issues to learn and train, and they'll figure it out. But this stuff is hard. It's not easy. What is the appropriate prompt? Don't be racist, but be accurate. What the hell does that mean?
It's hard. I'm just saying, if you were to ask for AI to draw a picture of a president based on the number of presidents we've had in this country that
Right.
are white men versus anything else, we've literally never
Right.
had anything else as a president in this country. It's odds are it's not going to draw a woman. Does that mean a woman can't be president? Of course not. It just hasn't happened yet. And so therefore, then they interpret that as that's not what a president looks like.
Right, and I'm not saying that it's not a hard. It's a hard issue. There's no anyone involved in the Google ethics department and Google model training, like they all need to be like philosophy students or something. There's no way to answer these questions. It's just dials on a knob, and there are many knobs, and they all trade off. There's no optimal solution. One cuts one way, the other one cuts another way. You want accuracy? Here's what you're going to get. Accuracy is history. History isn't perfect. You want progress? Might be a different thing.
Well
That
said.
might not be the future of where someone wants to go, and then whose values you're trying to represent also. So this is like an impossible to win situation. It's the same thing with social media in general. Same reason why all these big tech CEOs get hauled up in front of Congress and they're punching back. It's a no-win situation, even though I would submit that folks like Meta are doing a good faith effort, and they have tens of thousands of employees trying to screen for content and do a much better job than TikTok, for sure. But it's a complex issue. It's not as easy as e-commerce, buy, sell, click.